As part of Pymble's initiative to inspire and inform Pymble girls about the many career options that are available for women, our focus on construction and property has encouraged our girls to think about the many opportunities in this area.
I've joined the panel today to speak to 300 of the Year 10 students. I just think it's really important that we continue to bring more females into the industry, letting them know about it.
From this morning, I've really learnt a lot about the construction industry. I've always been thinking about different pathways to go into, and this is especially important in subject selection time.
I learned that the construction industry is very broad and there's lots of different career paths you can take.
You always imagine like a tradie wearing his vest. You don't imagine all these people behind the scenes helping us build the buildings we have today.
Finding your passion, and if you can turn that into a career that aligns with your values and aligns with your authentic self, then go for it.
To choose